1. Rainforest Rescue. Hello, my name is Ben. Hello, my name is Rosie. This is Grandpa. This is Grandpa Van. It's fantastic. Ben, Rosie, brother. Rosie, Ben's sister. Grandpa, Clark, Grandpa, Robot. Alec, Rosie, friend. I'm hungry, says Grandpa. What fruit do we have? We have apple and banana, says Clark. Here you are. No, thank you, says Grandpa. I want to eat my favorite food today. Rosie is in the kitchen with her friend Alec. What's your favorite food, Grandpa? asked Rosie. Grandpa walked to the door. We can go and fry it. Come with me. Can I come too? asked Ben. In the van, Grandpa says to Clark, "Let's go." "Where's Grandpa?" asked Ben. "Do you want to go to the store?" "No," says Grandpa. Clark stops the van and driver. The van stopped in a new place. The children sat here. The children look at the tree and plan. "Where are we?" asked Rosie. "We're in a rainforest," asked Ben. My favorite fruit is a durian, says Grandpa. "We can find it in this rainforest." He and the children walk in the rainforest and look for a durian. Grandpa points up. "There," he says. "I can see some durian in the tree. I can climb up and get some durian, says Ben. Clark, go up the tree too, please, says Grandpa. Then they can hear a noise. What's that? Asks Alex. There's a case next to a tree, and there's an elephant in the case. What's that? Asks Rosie. Grand is a baby orangutan, says Grandpa. He angry. Some people take animals from the rainforest. They can throw young orangutan. Grandpa opened the case. Soon the orangutan is in Alice's arm. Don't be scary, she said. He wants his mother, says Rosie. Baby orangutan live with their mother for years, says Grandpa. Two men grow out of the tree. That's us orangutans. So the tall man, give him to us. No, says Alex. You can take him out of the rainforest. It's his home. The two men are angry. Wait, Graham, that's orangutan and you can stop us. So one man, the two men ran at Grandpa and the girl. Then a big durian falls from the tree. It hits the ground close to the man's. What's that? Shouts the tall man. I can smell it, says his friend. It smells very bad. Then 2, 3, 4, a lot of durian hit the ground. Run, shouted the tall man. In the tree, Ben hits a durian in the hand. We can stop now, he says to Clark. But what about a baby orangutan? Asks Alex. Rosie points and says, look, the mother orangutan is there. The big orangutan is angry. She wants her baby, says Grandpa. Rosie is scary. What can we do? She asked. Alex knows. She puts the baby orangutan on the ground. Here's. she said to the big orangutan. With her long arm, the mother took her baby. The orangutan climbed up the tree with her baby. "They happy now," says Alec. Ben and Klaus climbed down from the tree. "Here you're first, Grandpa," says Ben. Grandpa opened the fridge. Rosie puts her hand on her nose. "I can smell it," she said. "I love durian," said Grandpa, "but they smell very bad." Thank Angry, animal, apple, baby, banana, cake, clown, doll, durian, fur, first, crown, hand, his, heart, ticket. Look for noise, nose, orangutan, people, place, plant, rainforest, scary, self, shores, smell, star, tree, off, van.